Saltwater Taffy Showdown. We have fruity cereal on top and Funfetti cupcake on the bottom. Let's see what one tastes better. Let's give them a try. We're going to do frosted cupcake first. It's white with some sprinkles. It does have that cupcakey flavor. It's not bad considering that it's saltwater taffy. And we're going to go with fruity cereal. Let's give that one a try. It tastes just like, yeah, it tastes just like Fruity Pebbles. I would say I like the, man, that's tough. I think I like the frosted cupcake better. It's victory. Frosted cupcake. Thanks for watching. Keep on snacking. Follow for more reviews. We have another Saltwater Taffy Showdown tomorrow. We'll see you on the next one.